Yo, hello guys, it's going to be lesson number 4, Midjourney lighting, but before we started, I'm just gonna spin a little bit a wheel, and I'm just gonna introduce you a bit to the TOYGERS, and then we're just going to start the lesson, so give me like 5 minutes to, do the introduction, or you can skip if you don't wanna listen to intro. Always lagging here. I almost finished. Well, you can see actually the points are 2000 right now. We're almost there, yeah. Always fucking lagging, I don't know. Okay, we're almost there. Gonna turn off the music. I'm just gonna say a few words about the TOYGERS app for people who don't know what's that and why you should participate in this project. So first thing first, just go use my link. So I will have 9% points from you while you grind your own points. I will obviously accumulate more points than you guys because you are going to help me, and the reason is why you want to help me, because you are generous people. No, the reason you want to help me is basically because you will be rewarded from that company, from the TOYGERS company, and they will send you the stuff, and you right now going to ask me what they're going to send you. So they are a brand which they're going to produce various of products. They just started right now with the series of toys, collectibles, but they well, how to put it easily, well, you need to spend money on it, but you obviously want to get something for free. So they right now making hats, hoodies, jewelry, other kind of toys which they are going to be in the giveaways, some robots. I don't know exactly how the things looks like, but I'm the guy who is already read 3 times every post on X and Telegram, so I'm trying to get partnership with them. But it's not like ask them or I send the email. I just simply need fuckloads of points to begin with, and then I can proceed as a person who is actually super deep into the project. And I'm already excited about this just simply because I will receive stuff from them, you will receive stuff from them, and on top of that I already have an idea to implement also reward you guys twice for your efforts, which is going to be the giveaways on my channel. Obviously I'm just one person, which I just started opening my brand, so I don't know when I will doing the giveaways. I don't know how much it's going to be, how many, but one thing I know for sure, a month by month or day by day, if I'm going to progress with all my ideas and I will get some support, I will do as much as possible free giveaways. And also I have an idea to do the premium ones, obviously for the people who are willing to support me. You can read more about this on my Ko-fi page. But one more time, you will get stuff for free just by simply spinning that wheel, and you will get stuff from me as well for free, despite the fact there are going to be other premium giveaways. And that's the idea. But like I said, I'm basically doing everything by myself, and every idea which you will hear from me might change, but I will always try to change that into the better way. So always keep that in mind. Like basically what I'm trying to say, I will be, shaping and evolving. It's not like today I'm saying this and that's never going to change or whatever, but I will try to do my best to try to start do giveaways this year. But everything will be announced on the separate playlist on my channel, which is just tailored to the TOYGERS. because like I said, I'm super excited about this project. The things they are implementing in this is just fucking mind-blowing, and I just want to hook you up with the stuff from them, and I just highly hoping to be able to receive those collectibles toys at some point as well. So I will have some, obviously, to put them on the shelf, and we'll try to basically well, get something for you guys, like for people who are not able to afford to buy that kind of stuff, but they're like super excited about the project as well. So yeah, one more thing. What I read from the X and the Telegram, they will announce the game within this app as well, and apparently we are going to be able to use those yacht points for something within the game. So far I have 5 friends, so thank you very much for that. You add me. So as you can see, level 1 I will have 9% of what you're grinding. So the idea in my head is to hook you up in the future with obviously some great stuff, but for like high effort. So if you will grind, let's say 100 million points, and then you will receive something. And my idea is to like you can do this whatever. Like let's say that's gonna take you a year, but as soon as you're going to achieve that, I will just basically send you the reward. I just need to figure it out what's it going to be, but definitely in my mind it's going to be something amazing. So it's not going to be like some, you know, flashy sticker, which I have that in mind as well, to give that as an extras. But I definitely thinking along the lines of doing the free giveaways from for those toys, which they for $77 or $100. So that's what I really hoping in the future. So I don't know when that's going to happen, but I definitely wish to have some warehouse of TOYGERS toys. That's my idea. Like I don't know how the fuck I'm going to manage that, but I guess with the support of the people who share the same excitement of basically doing the giveaways for the gadgets, because that's how I see it. Like I'm the guy who been playing the Magic the Gathering for like, fuck me, I don't know, 30 years, 25 years, and yeah, I spend lots of money on the game, and right now I just see myself again exciting about different kind of collectibles and just something exciting. I think it's going to be, well, one more time, I know for sure that's going to be exciting journey, at least for me, which I just started recently. Okie dokie, so 8 minutes intro. Long as always, because we just like to talk, but I hope somebody will grind the wheel from that intro and you will receive some nice rewards. So one more time, definitely we know hats, hoodies, jewelry, some nice candles, some nice toys, robots, fuck knows, because we don't really see any pictures, but they just introduced that and they said already like there's much more ideas, but they don't want to share what's that. And on top of that, it's going to be game implemented, and they thinking about some game which gonna combine Web3 this app with real world. So let's say for argument's sake, there was back in the day some Pokemon game, like you can actually grab like Pokemon just walking on the street. So I think they might just do something as well like that. And another thing which I need to mention as well, those points which you grind, at some point you will be able to stake them, and then when you will stake in them, you don't need to grind anymore, and the points are going to basically grind by yourself for you. And obviously I think we are going to be able to spend those points on something, because they're like, what's the point of just having those points? But definitely they're going to be implemented into the game system, and apparently those people who are starting right now and they're going to grind, they will have some exciting features slash goodies from them. So I'm just fucking excited. I can talk about this like fucking 4 hours, like, but I like I said, I read everything inside out, so I'm kind of much more familiarized with that project and excited as well. Okay, so there's lesson number 4 is lighting. I'm just gonna jump to it. We're just going to listen. Obviously, Midjourney.
Your AI art with lighting. Today, we're diving into the magical world of lighting with Midjourney. Lighting can add depth, volume, and a touch of drama to your images, taking them from good to absolutely breathtaking. Imagine creating visuals that not only catch the eye, but also tell a story through light and shadow. Intrigued? Let's illuminate your path to creating mesmerizing AI-generated art. Just like with light in the previous lesson, now explore lighting in more detail and try different examples to see how it can affect our images. Direction of the light. Direction of the light is crucial in determining how the light affects the objects in the frame. Imagine a bright sun shining from one side of your scene. How would it transform the look of your subject? Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying.
Blah 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 blah. Woman with light come from the direction right side. Okay. Woman with light coming from the right side. Okay.
Using shadows. Now that we've thought about light direction, let's delve into shadows. Shadows help add depth and volume to your images, making them more lifelike. Think of how shadows fall and the contrast they create. Experimenting with different shadow effects can greatly enhance the realism and mood of your art. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can
Woman portrait with dramatic shadows. I would.
experimenting with intensity. Excellent. Now, let's consider the intensity of the light. This can drastically change the atmosphere of your image. Whether it's the harsh midday sun or the soft glow of candlelight, try different levels of brightness to see how it affects the overall mood and emotion of your artwork. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start a
Landscape in bright sunlight. Okay.
practicing with different lighting effects. Ready to put it all together? Let's try creating prompts with different lighting effects to see how they transform your images. Here are a few examples to practice. Soft lighting. Create an image of a garden with soft, diffused lighting. Dim candlelight. Design an image of a room with dim candlelight, creating a cozy atmosphere. Try creating your own prompts for these lighting effects and see what Midjourney generates. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice.
Was actually fucking amazing pictures. Okay, so what we have? Building with a long shadow from the sun direction. Like that. Okay, building with long shadows from the setting sun. Okie dokie.
Refining your lighting prompts. As you gain more experience, learn to refine your lighting prompts for even better results. Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. You can start applying what you've learned or skip for now.
Now it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Okay, by the way, that bumps. I will build in that game my own city, and you already can join me and you will get 40% more mining. Well, mining, actually more gold, well, but we can call it mining. And it's a great because everyone who is going to join my hood basically boost our percentage by just spending 10 stars per 24 hours. So I will try to do this on consistent basis. If you join my hood, that our neighborhood, you can send some comment in the under the YouTube video, whatever. Just put your nickname or say hi and nickname, and at least I will know like you're someone who see me on the YouTube, and then we can sort of connect on YouTube at least. Yeah, so that'd be appreciated. Great. There are two people over there, and two people over there on my hood, but it's just a new project. This one I super excited as well. That's why I decided to put the video. By the way, it's not like I'm getting any from it, but just strongly believe I will combine a couple of projects together. One of them is going to be BAMS, and one of them obviously the TOYGERS. So TOYGERS, I can hook you up with some gadgets. So will be nice touch to do some giveaways from like exciting company. And another touch, we can actually play the game together in the BAMS, making the society our neighborhood, basically online neighborhood. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Right now I don't even have fucking money to build this town, because you need the £100 to build, but at some point it's going to happen. So what you're having here, what can help you achieve better results when creating lighting prompts? Avoiding the use of shadow altogether, using vague description of I suppose. I think this one, but we'll see. Yeah. Specifying the direction using shadows and adjusting intensity. Correct answer. Specifying the direction using shadows and adjusting intensity help achieve better results with when creating lighting prompts. I don't even know why I'm reading that. It's like what I'm trying to tell you in every video from that Coursiv. It doesn't matter. The answer doesn't really matter. What matters is how you are going to understand this, to use it, because for argument's sake, maybe some person who will be always answering here correctly, but he don't have any imagination to put that in the first place. So I'd rather to just do fuck all here, and then, I don't know, take some ecstasy, and then after 24 hours, when you're going to wake up again, have like some crystal clarity to, you know, prompt something beyond imagination.
Conclusion and next steps. You've now learned how to master lighting in your AI art by considering direction, using shadows, experimenting with intensity. Next steps. The next lesson will explore composition techniques. Stay creative and keep experimenting.
Okie dokie, thank you very much guys for watching. See you guys in the next video, obviously. And remember, again, I will be talking about the TOYGERS because I just feel like it. So you feel free to skip the beginnings, obviously. So take care. Have a good one. See you on the future streams, by the way, because as soon as I'm going to finish this those 3 playlists, and then I have idea to carry on with another Coursiv courses. So I don't know, fuck me. I don't know how long it's going to take, but there's never going to be a good time to start live stream. Like there's never a good time to open your own brand. And like ideally you don't want to open your own brand when you lost your job and you don't have any money, which is my case right now. Like but I just figure fuck it. I just need to try. Like I don't know what's happening with me this year, but I just strongly have like some intuition vibe in my like brain and heart, and like I just know this is what I'm doing. That's basically that's it. Like I just figure it out in my shit. Like I'm just like fuck me. Like Web3 gaming. Exactly that's what I want to do. Web3 gaming, and learn some AI on top of that, and maybe create my own game later on, and we'll see. Anyway, that's definitely a good topic for doing the vlog, which is going to be lots of fucking vlogs on my channel as well, because guess what? I like to talk. See ya.